Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedrian. Shenseea tapped for Seattle's Blasterfest. The Grammy-nominated singer has been announced among the headliners for the event slated to take place this summer alongside Nigerian Afrobeat singer Wizkid and producer Mustard. Now Shenseea has a collaboration with Wizkid titled Work Me Out, featured on her sophomore album Never Gets Late Here. Actor Boy Awards to celebrate 35 years under the theme 35 Years Strong, the next act has begun. Alice by the Jamaica Musical Theatre Company and the Asher Company's Deadlift lead this year's nominations, with Alice copying 14 and Deadlift securing 13 nods. Alice picked up nominations in the categories of costume, set, lighting, sound, choreography, and major acting categories. Now, Deadlift secured nods in major categories in acting, with multiple nods across supporting and lead roles, directing, and design. Dale Harris's Blood Lies and School of Drama, TikTok, follow with a total 10 nods each. The award show will take place at the PBCJ Auditorium on Monday, April 27 at 6:30 p.m. On the international scene, Drake's Iceman album is set to arrive on May 15. A streamer discovered a folder atop the Iceman sculpture in Toronto on Tuesday, which revealed Drizz's upcoming LP date.
Iceman, May 15th. May 15th. TOS? TOS! 2024, 2026 will be the year. Am I reading this wrong? Will be my year. 2026 will be my year.
Now, firefighters helped melt Drake's viral ice sculpture in downtown Toronto after thousands of fans flocked to the massive display after it appeared on Monday. The rapper posted on social media the release date of the new album Iceman was inside the ice block sculpture. Fans used flames, flammable liquids, and even a sledgehammer to try to melt it or break it open. Toronto's fire chief said on Tuesday the dangerous and unsafe activities raised concerns. Now, Drake has been teasing Iceman for the better part of a year. In 2025, he dropped singles Doghouse, Which One, featuring Central C, and What Did I Miss? Now, Iceman will serve as his 9th studio album and his last since 2023's For All the Dogs, which topped the Billboard 200 like all of his previous solo album efforts. Rihanna's Auntie has now spent a decade on the Billboard 200 charts. The Grammy-winning singer becomes the first Black woman to reach this milestone in the chart's history. It follows Rihanna and her daughter Rocky gracing the cover of W Magazine Volume 3, the pop issue serving high fashion and mommy-daughter moments.
Who is the high fashion babe? Who is the couture 24 hours after the runway?
That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedrian. Thank you for watching.